Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. We are at Wednesday. What does Wednesday mean? Wednesday means coasting through the week. And for all of you that are new to my channel, welcome. And for all of you that have been with me on my channel, welcome back. So let me explain to you what coasting through the week is. That is a collaboration between myself, Marva at Marvelous Artsy, and Tammy over at EPOXY Me That. And what we do every week is we collaborate with coasters and we try to create something unique and fun with coasters. We generally have a group of people that join in with us. I'm not sure who is joining in this week. I know that we do have a new member that has joined in last week, and her name is Amy, and her channel is Jaybird Art something. I was going to write this down, and I didn't, and I apologize, Amy. But so this week, I'm going to create something a little bit different. But for right now, all I'm going to do is fill in around the edges of each one of these coasters, and then we're going to let it cure. Then we're going to come back. So basically what I've used is Laura's Art Corner Blueberry Sparkle and just a tiny smidge of the Fine Gold Chunky. Now, if you love these colors, which I do, you can go over to Laura's Art Corner, to her website. I have a discount code, and you can purchase anything on her website with my discount code. Just make sure you put that discount code in the discount box before you check out. And yeah, so get yourself something. She has some of the most wonderful products over there on her website. And yeah, so I've already mixed up my resin, and it is the BONDCRAFTOR 1-to-1. I have mixed in the glitter already, saved some time, and we're going to pour around the edges of these coasters. Well, that one doesn't want to work, so we'll just use this one. Prevent some bubbles here, and I'm going to try to attempt to go around the edges here. And we're just going to fill up that edge. And I may have to push some of that off. And whatever I have left, I will throw it into some other molds like I always do. And there's 5 of these that I'm going to be designing today. Why 5? Well, that's what I ended up with as far as the design that I'm going to put in these coasters. And it looks like I am not going to need near this much resin. So I will be filling up some molds. Don't know what I was thinking. For some reason I was thinking that these molds took more than that. Okay, so we will get these leveled out, and we'll let them cure, and then we'll come back. So stay tuned, and we'll finish with the second part. Get some of this out of here so it's not, and I'm making a mess. Okay, we'll be back for part 2. All right. See you then.
Gliding on the surface, smooth and clean, pouring colors in into dreams unseen. coasting, coasting through the week, creating artwork, vibrant, sleek. Swirls and sparkles make it chic. Resin lovers, it's the peak. Mix and match with hands that mold it bright. Shades of neon glow under the light. Collaboration fuels our flight, turning every coaster into art's delight. Drip drop, watch the patterns play. Marble skies on a cloudy day. With every pore we find our way, through colors loud, through raisin sway. We're coasting, coasting through the week, creating artwork, vibrant, sleek. Swirls and sparkles make it chic. Raisin lovers, it's the peak. Polished edges shine with every hue. Layers of passion painted new. From artists' hands to a table's view. Each resin coaster, a masterpiece true.
Hey everyone, welcome back. These are ready to come out, but look what I did. I didn't realize that these were almost starting to cure, and I reached in there to pop a bubble. And it was, but that's okay. I can sand it off. So let's see what these, I chased and chased these down, the papers down forever. They wouldn't stay down. So, but yeah. So let's see what they look like. I had to sit and babysit them forever because the paper wanted to float. I'll just get them all out first, and then we'll turn them over and look at them. If you're wondering why there's 5, it's because in that pack of papers, there was 5 different papers. So that's why I have 5. You guys are probably wondering that. I didn't explain that earlier. So I hope this worked. That blue sure is pretty. I can't believe I did that. I reached in there to get a bubble, and then it was already curing. And I was like, oh no. But it's okay. I can sand that off. All right. Well, since that one's the messed up one, let's just look at it first. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Let me turn on some more light. Alexa, turn on craft room. Wow. Those are pretty. I may even have to put on some glasses here for that. I got one bubble right in the middle of that. Oh man. But how pretty is that? All right, well, there's one. Yeah, it's got that. Oh, I'm so surprised. Why did I think that these were not going to look this way? So pretty. That blue is just perfect. Matches that just perfect. Wow. I got a couple bubbles there. So pretty. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Isn't that pretty? And I just put just enough gold in there to take on that gold. All right, let's look at the last one here. See, this one here was the worst one of all as far as lifting. It would not stay down. And so it lifted so much that it's got a really big, look how pretty those are. Wow. That's actually a bubble underneath. I even mixed up a little bit of the Marabou Rainbow in there, but I didn't mix up enough because you can't really see it. It's not enough, but it sure is pretty. Shocked. Let me see here. Let's try to see if that was a through and through. Yeah, it is. That is too. So maybe I need to, yep, maybe I need to top coat these. This one doesn't have any, but this one didn't have any either. So these ones here all have through and through bubbles. So I'm going to need to fix that. So I may need to put a little top coat on those, just a very, very, very thin top coat. Because if I put UV resin on just those spots, it's going to look funny. So I may need to put a little bit of a very thin top coat because you can see that they're through and through bubbles. But I can do that. I mean, that's not going to affect anything. Not that it's going to change anything that you guys can see. So they are beautiful. I just love them. Very pretty. And as far as the back, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But they are beautiful. Look at them. Aren't they pretty? This one here. I'll have to sand that off. Good grief. I did end up with extras, obviously, because you guys could see that when I poured these edges. So let me get those because that color is just so pretty. I poured a flower. with that blue. Ooh, baby. That's pretty. I had so much. I bored a turtle. Look at that. That's pretty. And I had so much that I bored one of these. That's how much I had left. Isn't that crazy? I need to bring this over here to me. Because it's so hard to get off. Oh, goodness. It's just that initial getting it to roll. Hurt. Good grief. Oh boy. Somebody started a weed eater. So there's that. That's pretty. And of course, I bought a pair of glasses. Excuse me. And they're still a little bendy, so I might leave those in there for a little while. And then when I poured something, I don't remember what, but it was, I think that's it. I think that's all I got. So let me know what you think. I will get these fixed and get some pictures at the end of the video. And then, yeah. So let me know what you think. Hit that like button and leave me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. And yeah. So there you have it. All right, everyone. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.